boats attacked Vegas to distract everyone from the dam.
Say they hit the dam first. Now it's Air Force Base, not a local military on them right quick. But if they attack Vegas big, they pull the military there, leaving this place wide open.
What? What was that? Man,
On your
you're
six.
nervous. What? Thought I heard something.
They got me!
Sweet shot, mate. She's a big one, isn't she?
The missile is auto-sequencing for launch and in the
Contact! Tango! Under heavy fire! Hostile taken down!
Anyone keeping score?
On cover!
Shut the trigger! Take him!
In defensive position!
Go, go, go! I'll get down!
We have them! Under heavy fire! Reloading!
Heavy on the trigger!
Good shot!
Do it, Mac.
Moving!
Tango, you got it, boss. A little explosive should do the trick. Knock her right out the sky without triggering her payload.
Hold position. Regroup
I
on
can't
me.
see them!
She's in the air! Fire in the hole! Bloody nice!
Good job, Mike. Get over here.
Inbound.
Gabriel, what's happening?
What's happening? Irina was supposed to kill you. Bitch failed, I see.
Son of a bitch. You're the reason Irina Morales knew about us. You're working for her.
We were working together. I set you up in the tunnels. I helped capture Khan. I was never with you in the first place. I was never your friend. Unfortunately, Irina screwed things up. So it's up to me to deliver the goods.
They have loaded...
Where's Joey, bro?
Find out
Head
for
down,
yourself.
head down!
Stop Gabriel!
The chopper! We expected, eh, mate?
Let's not disappoint him.
Jeez, oh, God, hey, man!
Joe, you okay?
I'm fine. Christ, how could I have been so stupid?
Not your fault. He fooled us all. Check on Brody.
He was knocked out trying to help me. Gabriel forced us to land and a Tango pilot boarded the chopper. They were ready for us, Logan.
Yeah, well, we stopped him.
Brody is okay.
Thank God. What about the chopper and Gabriel?
We couldn't stop him. He's got the bleeding micropulse.
That's not all. Gabriel knows everything about us, and he's working for someone with deep pockets. We gotta warn Six. We can't nail Gabriel and his backers. Rainbow's gonna get hit bad.
Well, AirCav is inbound. We'll worry about it then. But you did good, Logan. Khan would have been proud.
Not good enough, Joe. Not for Khan. This ain't over by a long shot.